Hey Priya, have you noticed how everyone's talking about AI these days? It seems like it's taking over so many jobs.
Absolutely, Arjun. It's like every other day there's a new AI tool coming out that promises to automate everything. It's kind of overwhelming, don't you think?
Totally. I mean, it's cool and all, but instead of just learning how to use these tools like everyone else, why not learn how to create them ourselves?
That's a great point. But where do we even start? There are so many online courses out there, it's hard to know which one is worth it.
I was looking into this Python course that seems pretty promising. It's offered by Digital Guru Computer Training Institute. They're not just another generic online course provider.
Really? I've heard so many stories about online courses that offer nothing more than a certificate with a fancy PDF design and zero support. It's frustrating.
That's exactly why I'm interested in Digital Guru's Python course. They offer something different. For starters, they provide live doubt solving support, which is a huge plus.
Live support? That's actually rare. Most places just have a forum where you might get a reply in weeks.
Exactly. And on top of that, their certificate isn't just a piece of paper. It's government recognized, which means it actually holds value.
That sounds impressive. And what about the cost? I've seen courses that cost anywhere from 25,000 rupees to even 1 lakh. It's crazy.
This is where it gets even better. The Digital Guru Python course is just 6,000 rupees. That's a fraction of what other courses charge.
Wow, that's quite affordable, and with all the features they offer, it sounds like a really good deal.
Absolutely. I think this could be a fantastic opportunity to get ahead. Instead of just using AI tools, we could learn to build them and actually create something valuable.
I'm definitely intrigued. It seems like a smart investment in our future, especially given the value and support they offer.
Definitely. So, if you're interested, we should check it out and enroll before the spots fill up.
Count me in. This sounds like a game changer.
Great, let's do it. We'll be ahead of the curve and actually create the future rather than just adapting to it.
Ready to take control of your future? Enroll in the Digital Guru's Python course today. Learn Python, build AI tools, and get a government-recognized certificate. All for just rupees 6,000. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit our website www.dgcti.com/python and enroll for the course right now.